Hi all, this is Tyler Krompiatek from Canisius. In this video, we go over how to create and install a Copyleaks assignment. This allows students to upload their assignments for plagiarism and AI scanning. Use the Teacher Scan tool, covered in another tutorial, to scan individual documents. Let's get started. Go to the module that we want to add a writing assignment to. Click on Add Existing Activities. Then click on Copyleaks Assignment tool. A pop-up will appear. We must give the assignment a title. In the description section, we can provide the instructions for the assignment. Scrolling further down, we must add a due date. If needed, we can allow submissions after the due date as well. Further down, we can set the max grade, maximum number of attempts, and the maximum number of files allowed. If we want to, we can also allow students to use the text editor for submissions. We can also change the scan settings. These settings will be covered further in a different tutorial. We can set when the scan happens and whether or not to share the originality report with students. Finally, we can also add Copyleaks to the gradebook automatically. The grade will take the same title as our Copyleaks assignment and be added to the gradebook. When ready, hit Submit Assignment to create the assignment. That's it for this video. If there are any questions or comments, please email us at helpdesk@canisius.edu. Thanks for watching and have a great day.